Alrighty, welcome back guys to another quick little money making app for you guys. So before we get into this, I want to do a quick disclaimer that I have not checked out the full validity of this app. So beware about some of it, but I'll get into that later. And before we do that, y'all, let me show you about BrigthVPN. Check out BrigthVPN through the link down below. It is a premium VPN for free, y'all, without even logging in. It is both safe and secure. And look at BrigthVPN compared to these other VPN providers. It is just so much better, and you guys should try it out. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Alright, y'all. So now this app is simply a cloud-based mining, Bitcoin mining app. And there is both a paid and a free route. So now the paid one includes both an ad and a non-ad one. The non-ad one is an 8-hour contract. We have to come in here every 8 hours and click it, blah, blah, blah. And you get that certain amount of mining rate. And then the other one, it can be redeemed 30 times, which is the ad one. You watch an ad and then you get given that mining rate. And then those are the free methods. But then there's also a market which you can come and buy things. See, now I've only spent 15 bucks in this game. First of all, for this first contract on the top left, I spent $10. You get 400 in total because you buy one and get one free for every first purchase of all these contracts. And then there's also a newcomer pass, which should pop up immediately as you install the app. Guys, don't forget the download link will be down below with my referral code and my referral link. And the newcomer pass is good because it's only $5 compared to the $10 you would put in a regular pass, and it gives you the same amount of mining rate. And I have already validated one of my withdrawals. I will plug in a picture at the end where this was confirmed on my Moon wallet. And so, you know, while withdrawals are pretty straightforward, you got Lightning, BIP20, and BTC. Though the BTC withdrawal limit is like 100 or whatever. 100. It's 100 in today's market. See, now they also have a referral program, which is cool because the referral, the person who signs up, doesn't need to pay anything. They can do the free method and you will still get 10% of their earnings. So it's pretty cool to get some people to sign up for this. Y'all don't forget my code is MVDTKN. And anyhow, y'all, short video for today. Quick and easy, simple app. The only thing I want to remind you again is that the paid contracts, they claim to be indefinitely, so forever. So I just don't know if that's true or not, but I'm willing to risk at least $15. So my suggestion to you guys is at least put $5 in the newcomer pass, because that's the most value and the low risk you can take. And other than that, you just sit back, relax, and your earnings should grow. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.